Late night in the Hollywood Hills, starlight and social life thrills, heart-stopping thrill, looks that could kill. Red lips, a lit cigarette, black dress, smoky silhouette, collecting our bets for lovers roulette. Round and round she goes, where she stops nobody knows, vanishes like a ghost. Late night, Sunset Boulevard.
Got Chris on the CRF. No, can't keep nothing stock. Gotta mod it, bro. It's completely fine, this man. So you know what it needs?
Is your car stock?
Okay, chill. It needs 1.25 more horsepower. That's all it needs.
No, it's about 4.
That's all it needs. 4.
Probably makes like 6 stock.
It's almost as fast as ISF now. What you think?
Stop playing, bro. It's not even close. This thing will gap it.
Yeah, I know, right? Do a 60 to 130 pull. I got $20 on the CRF. But no, never installed rock sliders or engine or what's this?
Huh?
Everyone in the comment section is gonna be like, this man knows
Trans
nothing
skid plate?
about. That's a trans skid plate?
Yeah, then you got
I thought the trans skid plate was the one that you're missing. The one that goes like
the transfer case.
transfer case.
That was on the
Okay.
way.
Yeah, that's what it is. Transmission skid plate, engine skid plate. I'm still learning overlanding. But whenever I do go overlanding, if I do go overlanding, Geländewagen. Have a Geländewagen right here. Sitting on 33s would be fine on a Geländewagen. But start installing. All right, rule number 1, kids. Read the instructions. I read this. Got to remove that. So those 2 things. And hopefully this heavy ass pig will go up there. I know many people are going to be talking shit, talking about how weak I am. Yes, I am weak. I go to the gym for looks. There's no power in these arms. It's just all show. Isn't that right, Chris? Your physique is all show and no go. See? Flab. That little scratch. Don't worry, Captain. Now buff right out. Woo! Gotta get a. Oh man, gotta get a little glimpse of that. Gooiness. It's different, but in a good way. Terrible fitment. Only because it's upside down. It's upside down, bro. I was wondering, I was like, it looks off, like the way it's like not flush. And then I thought about it, like the way these holes, the way they dip in, this is where your foot's supposed to be.
So that's for the other side.
That's for the other side. There's the monkey. Go for the monkey, not me. Wrong monkey. We're back, and it's been a long time, literally a whole different house. That's how long it's been since the last video, and since halfway through the video I started it, didn't finish it only because, you know, you can roast me, I'm no mechanic. I did not know how to install those, or actually I did, just didn't have the tools at the time nor felt confident enough to do it, so they sat for the longest time, the recovery hooks, so didn't have those put on, couldn't finish the video, but I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I didn't want to finish the video. But last time you guys seen it, of course, a few different things, tow recovery hooks, new to the game, barely know, snorkel, fogs, trail lights, whatever you want to call them. Biggest upgrade has definitely got to be, of course, Dobson suspension, but that's been on the sway bar end links. Look at these things. These made huge difference on the entire car. Made it ride like me and my brother both used to Ford, so closest thing to like a Ford Raptor as far as the way the steering felt compared to before, being super loose and sloppy, and it felt like before like a 98 Silverado. Once again, reference because that's what I owned, but it was extremely loose. Now it's much stiffer. I'm sure on a trail it's probably not as good. Many people disconnect their sway bar end links or sway bars entirely, so they have more articulation, but for the most part this thing is driven on the road, so wanted to have it best of both worlds, a little bit better I guess on the street ish, sort of, maybe, but yeah, trail lights, snorkel, headers are on, installed. The car is tuned, truck is tuned. I'm so used to saying cars for many reasons. Truck is tuned. It also has Coil-Rad radiator, which is going to be installed later on. I'm not going to do it myself just because I just don't have the time. Local guy here in Phoenix, great guy when it comes to parts. He's going to be installing that because with these E-rated tires, I don't know if you guys know, whenever you're going uphill for a long time, I'm not saying this thing's weak, I'm not saying it can't go up hills. When you're going uphill for an hour straight in Phoenix up to Jerome, wherever you want to go, you're going uphill, Translight came on. So yeah, wanted to have it a little bit cooler, especially living in Phoenix. So have the radiator upgrade going in, and then eventually it's going to be re-geared because that's what was recommended for it, along with E-rated tires that got to go. Cool-ish, just way too damn stiff, way too damn heavy. So those that got to go. C-rated, don't know which tire brand, don't know what spec, have no idea just yet, but they got to go have that changed out. New chrome trim. It's all the little things. I'm telling you guys, it's the little things that do it. It's not the Dobinson suspension. It's not the snorkel. It's the little things. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Well, I still got to clean the wheels. Got a bunch of watermarks. I'm going to get that out. Raise lug nuts. Raise lug nuts. You'll never know. You can literally barely see it in there. But I know it's there, so yeah. Oh, also, upgraded battery, upgraded ARB air compressor, along with the hose kit for all 4 tires to inflate, deflate all at once. Amazing upgrade. Use it for detailing other cars here at the house and stuff like that. So for me, being a perfectionist, it comes in handy a lot. So pretty great addition. Trying to think of anything else added onto it. Of course, I changed out the speakers. That was something that I recorded, but decided not to post just because, once again, I didn't like the way it came out, so I just said screw it. But yeah, has upgraded speakers all throughout. Unfortunately, the system is stock along with the amplifier, so it sounds a little bit better. It basically sounds stock. No more blown speakers. It doesn't sound, it's not crazy, but you know, look at this thing. Ooh. Hopefully it's not another 6-ish months before I come out with another one. But guys, just let me know what you want to see next. I know every single YouTuber says that, but sounds cliche. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm not doing no whistling diesel shit, so if you guys say, you know, flip it off a trail, that's not happening. But actually, hopefully that would never happen. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. That's really it.